I've had a few people asking me recently, where do I keep all of my Blackstone accessories? Like what's around my griddle and how do I keep track of all of that? So I figured I'd give you all a little tour behind the scenes, show you exactly what I do with my accessories. So come on, let me show you. So here it is right here. This is where I have started keeping most of my accessories. Now, I understand that I am a little different than all of y'all because I own just about every accessory that Blackstone makes. And as a result, I need a large amount of space to store it all. And you know, the average person probably isn't gonna have as much as I do. But in case you are kind of a accessory fiend like I am and you want to get them all and collect them all, this is a good option for you. So I just got this from Home Depot. You can special order different colors, and I special ordered the Blackstone Orange here. So just to show you a couple features, first off, it has this really nice wooden top, which is perfect for prepping food on. It looks good in pictures. It's just a really nice top to have to cook on outside. It also has power, so like I can plug my pizza oven in, which you can see plugged in there. I have like a Wi-Fi router plugged in out here. I can plug in some other things. I have a magnetic strip from Blackstone right there, so I can magnetize like spatulas and stuff to the side of it. And then when we come around here, you can see, look at all that storage. Look at all those drawers. So let's go on a tour through each of these drawers just so you can see how I do things. So here we have kind of my main accessories that I use quite often. So this is where I keep some knives. I've got a scale for weighing out ingredients. I've got some cleaning brushes and some scrapers. Got my thermometers and got my griddle light there. Got some tongs. Got my spatulas. This is an extra big spatula that I use for smoking pork butts. Okay, got my scraper for my pizza oven up there. Lots of stuff going on up here. Got my smash burger. So just to give you a view, that's my biggest drawer right there. All nicely organized with everything I need. Okay. And then if I go down here, I'll go through the big drawers first. So this is where I've been keeping cutting boards and things like that. I have a couple cutting boards missing right now, but that's okay. But that's where those are being kept. And then I've got my pizza accessories. So I've got my pizza peels, my pizza pans, my pizza cutters. And then down here, I've got my Blackstone trays, some cleaning stuff, just some odd and end accessories that wouldn't fit anywhere else. These Blackstone trays, I have a bunch of these stacked up here. Okay. And then here I've got proofing boxes. I have my extra large scraper. I've got my basting domes. Let's see on this side. I've got my taco racks and stuff like that. So lots and lots of stuff fitting in here. And that's a slightly deeper drawer, as you can see. And then when you go over here, I've got my egg rings and some skewers there. And so I've got some space to work with. I've got some, my Blackstone flag here. I've got some gloves. And then down here, I've got like my taco kit. I've got my pans for the pizza oven. And then some of these accessories I don't use quite as often. My breakfast kit, my butter roll, those kinds of things. So there you have it. So I've gotten to where I don't really keep a lot of my Blackstone accessories stored in my house anymore. They all kind of fit out here in this tool chest and then that cabinet that I have right over there, which is mostly cleaning stuff and a couple larger accessories. But this tool chest works great for me. I know that's not for everybody. I have owned Blackstone's prep table that I used for a long time, and then I just outgrew it, right? I just got too much stuff. I couldn't fit it all in there. And so I needed something bigger. And so I expanded and got this tool chest from Home Depot. And so that's what I've been using ever since. It's been working great so far. I can tell you that I'm starting to outgrow it too. There's a couple drawers in there that are still empty, but you know, we're getting to where I'm running out of space in there too. So I'm either gonna have to start like getting rid of some of the accessories I don't use quite as much, or trying to make some more space somehow. But Blackstone has a lot of accessories to offer, lots of good stuff out there. Something to keep in mind when you start buying accessories is how much are you going to use it? Is it worth buying, like, and storing and having for a long period of time? Some of these things are great to have or nice to have, but are not necessary. So I'll maybe make another video on that coming soon. But till then, just giving you a little bit of behind the scenes look there, and hope this helps. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.